Module 9, Encouraging the Heart. One of the worst developments in the workplace was the creation of the term, human resources. Formerly known as the personnel department, the focus was on dealing with people as persons. At a time when industry was supposedly focused on making the workplace more humane in order to increase job satisfaction and productivity, it took a major step backwards. No one wants to be considered a human resource. A resource is something you use as long as it is functional. When the shelf life expires or is no longer as effective as it once was, you throw it away without a thought. It would be a glorious thing if every human resource department was abolished and the name personnel made resurgence. Employees are not robots. Human beings have intellect and emotions. Failing to deal with them on those levels will ultimately backfire. You cannot program loyalty. Sharing rewards. Topic objective: to discuss the sharing rewards. If your staff are going to share in the work, make certain they share in the rewards. If you are going to get a bonus for a successful task, share at least a portion of it with your staff. More than one employee has felt betrayed by leadership when the boss gets a big bonus and those who do all the work get nothing. You don't need to give them half or divide it all up among your staff, but you should at least throw them a party, provide a free lunch, or give everyone a pair of movie tickets or a lottery ticket. Do something to show they didn't work hard only to see you take all the credit. Stories to share. Persistence and determination are always rewarded. Celebrating accomplishments. Topic objective: to show encouragement and reward benefits. Set both personal and team goals and milestones. Nothing motivates someone like public recognition. Although some may seem somewhat embarrassed by a public display, inside they are proud they have been recognized. There has never been a recorded study that quoted an employee who was honored in public as saying that they never wanted that to happen again. Celebrate team milestones as well. It breaks up the routine of the workday, gives a well-deserved break, and motivates people to work harder when they return to work refreshed. Topic summary. Discussion on rewarding staff. Making celebration part of your culture. Topic objective: to discuss celebrating work. You don't need to decorate the office each day or have morning pep rallies, but the workplace should never be dreaded by employees. People spend most of their waking lives at work, with substantially less time for family, friends and activities they would much rather be doing. By the very definition, they come to work, and you have to pay them to be there. People have to feel motivated by more than just a paycheck. Be sure to have a welcoming environment where people feel respected. Celebrate special occasions to break up the routine, but don't make celebration itself the routine or no work will get done. Stories to share. Dale Carnegie says, "People rarely succeed unless they have fun in what they are doing." A good goal is like strenuous exercise, it makes you stretch. Mary Kay Ash.